Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick taste test of this Rice Works. This is a sweet chili version, and I did one on the the sea salt one. It is gluten free. As you can see, sweet chili, and here's the ingredients. Here's the nutrient panel. Let's see, give you guys a better shot. Come on, focus. There we go. You guys want to read that? Pause the video. There's the nutrient panel right there. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Check that out. They're actually pretty good. The sweet chili taste is very mild. It's not like Doritos, very strong, but it's very mild. The heat is very minuscule. Definitely check it out. I like this one more than the sea salt. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post, subscribe to the channel.